Check, check. Woo! So nervous. Alright, you ready? No. Alright, go ahead. I'm waiting on you. Oh yeah. Damn, I crashed hard. Yeah, I fucking wrecked hard. Where you at? I tried getting to you, but I ended up coming back down. Ugh. Catastrophe. Ugh. Poor baby. Flew so well. Ugh. Really? I didn't even hear it. This girl flew so well. For a $10 Walmart plane, man, this thing flew fucking awesome. I got a battery right here for you. Look, there's a nail file right there.
For another flight, that was quick.
Look at this. There's my wing that's broke off.
Oh no.
Because I taped it. Look, there's my battery.
You should have done that.
But little glue blew off my motor mount, the foam on it. That thing flew awesome. There's a battery right there for you. Let me plug my little guy in right here. I got the camera hooked back up on here too. But yeah, that plane that flew by, there was a bunch of them yesterday flying like that. I had them so scared because I was up there with this. All right, let's go. I redid my shit, so I gotta dial it back in. Are you? Take some pictures. I'm gonna come up right behind you. Don't go nowhere. Hold on. try and take your picture, yo. It's so hard for me to get to judgment on it. You like that? Yeah, where you at? I'll give it some gas. Don't ruin it. Give it gas. Oh, oh. Nice. Where am I? Where am I? Where am I? Where am I?
You're right there.
Okay. This is Soren. Dead stick all day. Yeah, he did a good job on that recovery. I'm inverted. You hear me come down inverted? That was pretty close. I think this battery's dying. Lovely. Oof. Be easy, I didn't bring another prop.
Took off back in the grass.
Oh, we got two hawks. We got two hawks, yo. I got one split.
I thought I got it. I thought I got it.
He's like, the hawks are like, these guys are much faster than us. Let's get the fuck out of here.
This guy's tail.
Be nice to him though. We're just chasing him and playing with him. There's one more way over there. That's something else. That's a seagull. No, that's a seagull. Ooh! Oh! Be easy, don't kill it. We still got two more batteries for you to fly on. I'm gonna change mine real quick. Yo, I did a spiral downturn. That was awesome, wasn't it? Coming in right behind you. Let's get this landing on video. Nice. Oh, that was love. Oh, nice. Man, I wish I was flying my big plane with you. You still got battery, don't you? We need to get an amp tester or a volt tester. Yeah, I like doing that with mine too. That's awesome. It's the Gamma 370 V2 brushless.